You gonna open your eyes? You wanna look at me? Open those pretty eyes. You smiling? Open your eyes, Camille. Hey. Hey, sweet girl. You want to open your eyes and look at me? You can. Oh, she poo-pooing. I can feel it. Ooh. Poo-pooing. Mm-hmm. She just poo-pooed. Yeah. I'll change her diaper. You gonna open your eyes? Hey. Hey. Hey.
Lay things off your bed.
Yeah, I'll take a break.
I gotta take the whole thing off.
Leave them down there, that's fine.
Leave them right here?
Yeah.
What's her doing? Hey.
I'm just bracing. You go what you
You're
want.
such a good baby. There we go. Camille. Okay, say bye-bye. Just looking around.
I am. That's when I do that, I'll be able to do that. Okay,
She's poo-pooing right now.
she's pooping
I can feel it.
She needs to nurse before everybody gets here, because she needs to eat.
People will be here about 5